Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Japanese cuisine has many dishes that are not well known. Some of the JOC readers had requested karashi renkon recipe, and last summer when we went to Kumamoto in Kyushu, we finally got to try this recipe. This lotus root stuffed with karashi mustard is not for everyone. But I want to share all types of Japanese food on my channel, even the more obscure ones. Let's get started. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Japanese recipes. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. またね!